वानखेड़े सर, जिस तरह से आपके ऊपर पूछताछ हुई, क्या कुछ
कहना चाहेंगे
सर? एलिगेशन
whatever is happening, sir, क्या चेक कहना चाहेंगे सर?
सर, एलिगेशन
I don't have to say anything, please.
Okay,
एलिगेशन जो आरोप लग रहे
sir, the allegations that have been made against you, sir,
हैं सर, आप
Mr. Wankhede.
अच्छा सर
Well, those visuals that you see on your screen right now are, of course, of Samir Wankhede as he made his way to the NCB's office to record his statement in the witness controversy case. Now, his statement was also recorded yesterday by a 5-member NCB team from New Delhi. We are told today that a vigilance team of the NCB, which will consist of 3 officials, will be speaking to him as well. Priyanka is reporting live on this. Priyanka, good morning. Priyanka, give us a sense of what's happening as far as the vigilance inquiry is concerned. Tell us more.
Well, yesterday what we had seen was Samir Wankhede's statement that had been recorded by the 5-member vigilance team headed by Gyaneshwar Singh, who had come from Delhi, and his statement with respect to the allegations that were leveled against him about extortion, about the meetings that took place between Pooja Dadlani and KV Gosavi, and all of these other allegations that had been leveled against him in the affidavit that was made public by the independent witness Prabhakar Sel. All of these allegations will be asked to him. He was also asked about the entire timeline of the 2nd of October's night when the entire drug bust case had taken place, where the NCB had gone on board of the cruise ship and had taken into custody the first 8 accused, including Aryan Khan. So the entire timeline is being asked because there are allegations that have been leveled about extortion of about 8 crore rupees that were supposed to be sent to Samir Wankhede himself. His name has been personally taken, and that is why he has to now come out in front of the vigilance team and give his statement with respect to what had really happened. How was he in touch with KP Gosavi? How were these independent witnesses present there? What was the tip-off that he had gotten, and how was the preparation done for the drug bust as well before they had carried out the entire drug bust from on board of the cruise ship as well. Now, what we're also being given to understand is that another major development with respect to the vigilance team is concerned is that KP Gosavi has also been detained by the Pune police, and we have been told that the NCB will be coordinating with the Pune police to get Gosavi to also come in front of the NCB vigilance team and also record his statement with respect to these allegations that have been leveled against him as well in the affidavit by Prabhakar Sel, in which he categorically states that KP Gosavi and Pooja Dadlani and another person called Sam D'Souza had a meeting on the night of the 2nd of October, and that there were bags of cash that exchanged hands as well. All of these questions will be asked to KP Gosavi as of now. Till now, in fact, till today morning, he had been absconding. But today, early in the morning, Pune police has sent out a statement that they have detained KP Gosavi and other cheating matters in Pune itself. Apart from this, the vigilance team will also be calling Pooja Dadlani and other witnesses, including Prabhakar Sel as well. Perhaps they would be calling Prabhakar Sel after Samir Wankhede's statement has been completed, which what we are being given to understand is that yesterday for 4 hours his statement had been recorded, and even today his statement will be further recorded by the vigilance team.
Absolutely. So as you're pointing out, Priyanka, it looks like there perhaps will be a lot of fast-paced developments in this case today. For the moment, Priyanka, reporting from Mumbai. Thank you.